for an example, you can have a look at this line of code, which is saying that we are finding an element with the we are finding a link element with the name get started, and then we are clicking on it. So the click is something called action that we are performing on the element that is found with this particular locator, right? So if you take an example, there are actions, so many actions that we can perform. So something called check the input checkbox, uncheck the input checkbox, click the element, and there are so many others that you can go through and have a look at over here. But for example, you can have a look at this thing, right? So this is something called action that we can perform. So this is an example of actions that you can perform, right? Also, you can, for an example, you can have a look that if you want to do it, if you want to find an element, we can find it in this way. First, we can store that element in some variable, then we can perform certain action. But usually the declaration part is skipped and the action is chained with the declaration of the locator itself, right? So this is the usual declaration that we